Okay, so this is the Sweet Mimosa Butter from Henna Soak. It says use as a pomade to style hair, protect hairline against herbal dyes as a deep rich moisturizer, safe for use on skin and feet. And it has unrefined shea butter, candelilla wax, I think that's how you say it, extra virgin olive oil, castor oil, aloe vera, extra virgin rosehip, aloe vera gel, mimosa floral wax, sweet orange essential oil, peppermint essential oil, and vitamin E. And it's solid, but it melts. As you can see, it gets all shiny just from body heat touching it. And it smells amazing. So this is what I'm getting ready to style my hair with, and I will show you the end result. Okay, I could not wait to show y'all my hair. I don't know, the lighting in here is horrible, but just check it out. My hair is amazing. I just got off work, and I have been sweating the whole time, and my hair stood up. I mean, look at that. It stood up to the heat. Look at that curl pattern. It's ridiculous. So anyway, I washed it with the Cocoa Vita soap, like I said. Let me show y'all what this looks like. I just got home from work. I keep it in the fridge. So I'm not giving an opinion on this yet, because when I used it, it kind of left like a film on my hair, and I don't know if it's supposed to or not, but I saw another review on it, and they said it did, so I think it just coats your hair in like this protective oil or something. But it's where the curls came from. This is the Henna Soak Sweet Mimosa Butter. Amazing. This is my new favorite product. Since I've went natural, and I mean, this is nothing against everything else I've tried. Actually, not just since I went natural. Since I started transitioning, period, I've tried a number of things, and that Sweet Mimosa Butter is my favorite by far. So, well, it's one of my favorites. It's my favorite for defining my curls, and it just smells awesome. I mean, it's just awesome, everything about it. I mean, it looks thick, it's thick in the jar, but it melts really easy. It can be used as a pomade, but it's not thick and sticky and waxy like a pomade, even though it has two different kinds of wax in it. And it's not beeswax, so don't worry about that, but it's just amazing. I couldn't ask for a better hair product when it comes to styling. My other favorite so far, of course, you guys know, has nothing to do with Henna Soak, so I won't mention it in this review. But this isn't really a review. This is me blabbing about my hair, and I also want to say I love my TWA. At first I had some issues with it. Ignore my little mess. I do laundry. Anyway, so I had issues. I thought it looked like a boy. I wasn't used to this, but I have to say, every day, more and more, I fall in love with my TWA. I have to say that my teeny weeny afro is the bomb. And to me, TWAs are the new grown and sexy. So I'm loving it. If you have one, love yours.